Hi there, you're welcome to chemistry class today, and I am delighted to have you here with me. Today's topic is called mixture. Mixture, and under mixture, you will learn about the meaning of mixture, types of mixture, and some ways of separating mixtures. So, what is a mixture? A mixture is when two or more substances combine, but each substance keeps its physical properties. This is when two or more substances combine, but each substance keeps its physical properties. For instance, let's start with a mixture that you might see in the kitchen. I want you to think about how mommy prepares a salad. Yummy, right? She chops up the lettuce, tomatoes, cabbage, and puts them all in a bowl. Now take a good look at the salad. Did anything about the ingredients change? No. Can you separate the salad back into its individual parts? Yes. And so, salad is an example of a mixture, and that is why mixture is a combination of two or more substances without each substance losing its physical properties. You can easily separate each substance back to its original form. Some examples of mixtures are water and salt. If you have a glass of water and you put salt into it, once you mix it, it creates a mixture. Once you combine it, it creates a mixture and it becomes salt water or sea water. So water and salt is an example of a mixture. Another example of mixture is concrete. Now, what are the components of concrete? You have cement, you have sand, you have water, you have gravel. Now, all of this combine to get concrete. We also have a box of toys. You have different toys in a box. That is an example of a mixture. We also have sand and water. Also, sugar and water. Now, all these examples can be grouped into two headings, so we have two types of mixtures. We have the homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture is a mixture that has been mixed together so well that the different parts will not settle out on its own. When you combine two or more elements and you mix them up, it will just become as one, almost as one. Each element will not separate into its different form. Now, what are some examples of homogeneous mixtures? We have air, the air we breathe in. They have different gases in it, but you cannot see these gases, and it cannot also settle out. The gases do not settle out on their own. We also have sugar water. When you mix sugar in water, it becomes as one. We also have a cup of coffee, liquid soap, and perfume. All of these are examples of homogeneous mixtures. Now, what is an heterogeneous mixture? A heterogeneous mixture is a mixture that can easily be separated into its parts. It is not blended together. Unlike the homogeneous mixture that is blended together, heterogeneous mixture is not blended together. And some examples of heterogeneous mixture are fruit salad. When you have a plate of fruit salad, we have different fruits that makes up the fruit salad. It doesn't blend together. It is not blended together. So fruit salad is an example of a heterogeneous mixture. We also have pizza, box of toys, sand and water. We also have oil and water. All these are heterogeneous mixtures. They do not come together as one. That is, it is not blended together. You can easily separate into its different parts. Now we're going to talk about the ways of separating mixtures. We have filtration, and this is when this is the passing of matter through a filter to separate larger particles. We also have evaporation. This is where the liquid in a mixture changes into a gas, leaving other solid particles behind. And then we have distillation. This uses boiling to separate mixtures of liquid solution. For example, if you heat salt water, the water in the solution will boil before the salt. And then the water will then evaporate, leaving the salt behind. And if the steam from the water is collected, it will turn back into liquid as it cools. And this cold water will be pure water without any salt. And with that, we have come to the end of today's lesson titled Mixtures. I hope you learned a great deal. I can't wait to see you in the next class. Bye for now.